Hello everyone. I want to quickly give you a quick little video on how to access your assignments through the HMH portal. While in your A-Leave Hub, you want to go to the tab that says Ed HMH. Once you click the tab, it'll welcome you to your home page. Your assignments will be listed already there for you. All you have to do is pick which one you're trying to access and click Start. Now, if you started it before, it will definitely give you a continue option and you would just click there. Once inside, you can practice reading, trying the words yourself, or you can click the audio option here and have the words read aloud. However, I think it's best that we try to read it ourselves first. Once you're done, you can select another assignment if you need to. But that's the quick and easy way on how to access your assignments in HMH. Bye!